welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a video on the Maybelline New York Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Sunscreen Makeup. I've been dying to try this out. I've seen a couple other videos on it and I was just like, it looks really good. It doesn't look full coverage, but it is. So I just wanted to test it out. Feels like forever since I've done a video, since the boys have been off for school. They've kind of been few and far in between, or I do a couple in one day and then post later on. So it feels weird to try to get back into the groove of this. We were at a soccer tournament in the States, the USA Cup, which was really awesome. It was so hot, but it was fun. I got to do some shopping at the Mall of America, so I'm going to try to get a video out on that. I picked up a little sample size of the Kylie liquid lipsticks and the Tarte Shape Tape, which I'm also going to use with the foundation. So if you guys haven't already, it would be so amazing if you could subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Give this video a like, and if you want to see the foundation, then just keep watching, and I will do like a wear test. Penny, I'll come back later on and see how it's been holding up. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I do have a little bit of sunscreen on my face already because I was outside earlier on, but other than that, nothing. So I am just going to see how the color matches up too. I haven't tried it. I picked up Warm Nude. It might be a little light, but once you add bronzers and all that fun stuff, then could get it matching. It's very liquidy consistency. Alright. Yeah, it buffs out pretty lightly. The camera, it picks up on the camera as more coverage than it is, and lighter than it is, which is nice. My little sidekick, who is always sleeping. And it's going to be super hot today. I'm going to be outside, so I will, like I said, do a wear test in about 6 to 8 hours and see how it's holding up in the heat. I probably could have went to the next shade, which is Buff Beige, just because I like to wear myself tan or darker, but this looks pretty good. So yeah, it looks more full coverage on camera than it is in person, but really like a smooth, dewy finish. I really like how it looks because I'm not like full coverage makeup gal, so I do like that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Shape Tape, which also claims that it is full coverage as well. Flawless matte finish, creamy and easy to blend, and it really is. The creaseless has a more tacky finish to it, and oh, can't get it out. This one feels a lot creamier, a smoother blend. I really like it. I probably could have went a little darker with this, but I do like a lighter concealer, so it's fine. And it doesn't feel too matte. It doesn't feel like it creases or it looks cakey. I really like the finish to it. I wish I would have bought it in the bigger size, but now I know, so I can order it. And it has a nice smell to it too. And I'm just gonna go here along the jawline, because I'm not gonna put any contour cream on, so just doing that kind of gives you that effect in itself. So I'm going to blend this with my fingers. Oh, breezy. Yeah, it blends out a lot darker than it is. It's not, it doesn't seem full coverage overly. I mean, I'm sure you could keep building to it, but I was like, full coverage. I don't know if I want that cakiness, but it's not at all. So yeah, just a super smooth, like flawless look so far. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and set my under eye and other concealed spot with my contour and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I've been liking using this little e.l.f. fluffy eye blender for my powder. Just it adds just a lighter hand, lighter touch instead of the flat brush, which gives you a more defined look. For summer, you just kind of want it light and easy, not going too far these days. So I just like to have kind of a simpler makeup look. But you can see that you don't even need to go in with any darker colors. Already having the tan on your skin and then just putting lightness there creates that effect. Okay, so for my bronzer, I'm just gonna go in with NARS's Laguna. buff it into the hairline, because sometimes when I'm doing my self-tanner, the towel is on my head too far, or it just doesn't grab it. Honey! Honey! Okay, I gotta get her. The lab could care less. The Chihuahua, like, she's gotta protect the household. I don't get it. Well, that's just their personality, but the lab could just sleep through it all. Unless she comes to get her. She'll come and like jump on her and poke her and be like, Mom, we gotta go bark at the window. And she doesn't even know what she's barking at. She's barking. All right, a little bit of my nose. So this is how I've kind of been doing my makeup for the summertime too. Not any real heavy contour, some bronzer, some foundation, or tinted moisturizer, a little bit of concealer, keeping it simple, or mainly no makeup. Now I have to pick a blush. Okay, for my blush, I'm gonna use this soft pinky corally color from my Technic palette that I just recently got. There's a lot of fallout in this, but whatever. The colors are really pretty, really smooth, very buildable. You almost want something that's not, for blush for me, something that's not super pigmented at first, because sometimes you go in and it's just like, whoa, this is too strong. So something that's a little lighter that you can just kind of keep building upon is nice. Yeah, it's super soft. These colors are super pretty. Really like them, but yeah, you could see there's a lot of fallout. Well, all right, I'm just gonna do the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme Intense Metallic Highlighter in the color Sparkling Citrine as my highlighter, and just a little bit of that. I don't need too much. I'm just gonna blend that through everything. And I'm going to use, for my lips, the color Charm and the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So I am going to put that on first, and then I'm going to line my lips after, just to kind of see where I need it. But such a pretty neutral pink color, like a baby pink neutral. It's so nice. It lasted. It wasn't too drying. I put some Vaseline on my lips before, just to keep them hydrated. Yeah, I really, really, really love the color. So now I'm just gonna go in with, let's see what you got. My Annabelle Taupe eyeliner. Penny, shh. And then a Stripdown by M.A.C. And just kind of blend it into the lipstick. just to define the borders of my non-existent top lip. So yes, this is the look. I will come back in a while to show you how the makeup looks. Maybe I'll take the camera outside, and yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys again soon, and put the little clip of the makeup afterward. Alright guys, so this is about 6 or 7 hours after I've applied my makeup, out in the heat, out in the sun, and it lasted really well. My face didn't feel sticky, heavy. It didn't feel like there was anything on my skin actually, so I really love it, and definitely will continue to use it this summer. So I will see you guys again soon.